being a sly little fox. He keeps falling apart at the seams. His face just fell off. What a paradox. Glued it back, chasing my woodworking dreams. But then my tool died, a tragic twist. Did this log not want to be a fox? Too bad, little log, your fate I've kissed. Conquered you'll be, no need for a box. Off, are you serious? This can't be real, a sculptor's plight. Yet I persist, my vision curious. A cute little fox bathed in morning's light. But then my tool died, a tragic twist. Did this log not want to be a fox? Too bad, little log, your fate I've kissed. It all starts to come together, oh yes. Through trials and tribulations I see the sly little fox, I must confess, emerging from the wood wild and free.